Need to reserve stock for an in-person event or set aside inventory for a draft order? In this video, I'll show you how to hold inventory so it doesn't sell online. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Holding inventory, also known as reserving stock, prevents customers from purchasing items that are allocated for another purpose. The most direct way is by creating a draft order. When you add a product to a draft order, that quantity is automatically removed from your available inventory until the draft is either completed or deleted. You can also use a dedicated inventory management app from the Shopify app store that allows you to create inventory holds or transfer stock to a specific location, like a hold location, that isn't available for online sales. For simple cases, you can manually adjust the inventory count. Go to the product, reduce the quantity available, and make a note of why. Remember to adjust it back later. A crucial pro tip: for pop-up shops, create a separate physical location in Shopify called Pop-up Stock. Transfer inventory to it, and then use Shopify POS set to that location. This keeps your online and event stock separate and accurately tracked. And just like that, you have full control over your sellable inventory. Holding stock is key for managing complex sales channels and special orders. What scenario do you most often need to hold inventory for? Let me know in the comments. For creating custom orders, subscribe for our next video on how to create draft orders in Shopify. Thanks for watching.